I'm sure you are here because you want to integrate Facebook instant article with your respective CMS. It could be Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, or can be coded with Core PHP either, right? So I just created 9-step easy guide for you. I'm damn sure that will help you a lot. But in case still if you will find any issues, you can contact me at here raindrops@gmail.com. So let's move one by one. These three links will help you a lot because these three links will give you an idea, a step-by-step idea how to integrate, what is instant article is all about, how to get the permission for particular domain, and how you can publish through an API, right? So the first step is towards this thing is create an app. Okay, so just create an app with developers.facebooks.com, but remember that you have to first create a page of your domains also, and there you have to be either publishers, either administrator, or maybe super administrator rights. This is must, right? So once you will create this applications, you will get this app id and app secret key. And one more important part of this application has to be is app domain must be that domain for which you got Facebook permissions to publish an instant articles. Now let's move to step 2. Get logged in and get short-lived access token. It is much more simple step. You can get logged in through JavaScript SDK. You just need to find on Google that JavaScript SDK for login for Facebook, and you will get the code, right? Or other case, you will utilize the Facebook ready-made tools also. You first of all, first for that you have to first log in at this developers@facebook.com, then click on tools and support, and then click on graph API tools. It will look like this. You see, this is a graph API tools. Only things you have to remember is while getting the user access token, first select the applications which you had made and then click on get access token, and you will get the get access token for that. Okay, so and if you are a coder and if you had implemented JavaScript SDK, then you will get the response with this variable response.auth response.access tokens. So after you will logged in, you will get short-lived access token, user access token. Now you have to convert, that is step 3. You have to convert short-lived access token to the long-lived user access token. And how you can do it? You have to call graph API. For that, you just need to, grant type has to be FB exchange token. Client ID would be your app ID. Secret key is app secret key. And of course, FB exchange token will be the short-lived exchange token, whatever the access tokens you got from the short-lived versions. And you will get response in access token, that will be your long-lived access token. Sorry. Now let's move to step 4. Get user ID to receive page access token and the page ID. Okay, this is most important part, user ID. So how you will get the user ID? You call the graph API, right, and pass the long-lived access tokens, name, fields, ID, and pass just long-lived access token, and from there you will get the user ID as a response. When you come to step 5, retrieve page access token. Now see, there are two different things, user access token and page access tokens. Now you have to receive the page access token with the help of user ID which you got in step 4. So how you will get the page access token? It is very simple. You pass just user ID with these things, account and access token, that is long-lived access token, and then you will definitely get the page ID from the response. Now final step to create an instant article on Facebook. Okay, before I'll tell you about this, you should download one more application from Play Store, that is says Facebook Page Manager, right? This is you will, if you are having Android, you can go with from Google Play Store, and if you have iPhone, definitely the from the iTunes. So what it exactly, Facebook Page Manager. Once you will download this on your mobile, on your cell, you have to log in with the same account and same user ID and same password for through which you had logged into the developer's account, right? And there you can see, there you can see whether instant articles are working or not. When you click on more, you will get an option of instant article. Okay, let's move to step 6. So once you have each and everything's like user ID, page access token and everything, now if you follow all above step correctly, you have the following variable, that is long access token, long live access token and page access token. Now create a HTML source of your articles. See, this HTML source must follow the rules and regulations of Facebook, and for that this is the links you have to understand. You have to just go through this link so you would understand much more things more better. Now call the following web service call using post method. What you have to pass is HTML source which you had created with the help of Facebook HTML syntaxes. Pass the page access token, and the important part, when you are into the development mode, please have publish as a false and development mode as a true. So if you created app in development mode, please publish as a false and development true. If you created app in production mode, either you can have publish as a false and you can have true too, right? In development mode false. After creating the article, Facebook needs to review your articles. They would take around 3 or 4 days. So what they are saying, you have to publish at the same time 10 articles, and they will randomly pick up 2 or 3 articles within that, and then they will review it and publish all of your 10 articles to the on their timelines. Right? Or successfully posting an article, you will get an article ID. See, this is most important thing. If you had followed the step 1 to 6 correctly, then definitely you will get the article ID. And if you will get the article ID, understand that it got published on Facebook timeline. I mean, not published because Facebook will take in under the will review that first and then will publish, but then you did the right things. Check the status of article. Now if you want to check the status of article, again graph API, pass the access token and the article ID. Updating an existing article, see, there is no particular method of updating, but what Facebook are saying, if you publish the same article ID again, then it will replace the previous data, so you just need to repost the same article. Delete an existing article. To delete an existing article, you need to have the article ID that you got at the step 7, right? And then you just create the graph API, pass this article ID and access token, and it got deleted, right? Now what these 3 things, publish page, page manage instance article and manage pages. See, whenever you are creating an live applications, you have to get the permissions for these 3 parameters, and for that you have to say Facebook that why you are doing this, why you are integrating this instant article API with your CMS, what is reason behind that. You have to create a video and you have to upload that. So it is much more simpler thing, but while creating the live app you have to submit each and everything, and you have to get the permission for these 3, then only this will work. Hope you had enjoyed the video, and again, in case if you are getting any issues, you can definitely contact me at raindropsinfotech@gmail.com. Myself, Brett Korea, and I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks.